This message is for everyone that wants a real change, that wants to make a real change in our relation with the others. As you can see, there is no place on earth where you can live with the rest of the world at the same time. Time is the master of one who is no master. I want to be able to respect everyone on earth, and for that, I have to respect everyone's day, for my day to be respected from everyone also. This is why I ask every person that wants to finish with the egocentric time of our leaders, and to have a real connection with the others, to honk, with your cars, or with any kind of horn, for 10 minutes Saturday Universal Time, 10 minutes at 0:00, at 6:00, at 12:00, at 18:00, at 24:00, of the Universal Time. There's a link in the comments of this video for the Universal Time. We will synchronize the world, for respect and justice, the people for the people.